Which automatic gate is right for your Gold Coast property? In this quick video, we'll examine the three most common types of automatic gates: the conventional sliding gate, the cantilevered sliding gate, and the swing gate. The conventional sliding gate. If the entrance to your Gold Coast property is relatively flat and doesn't slope, you may consider installing a conventional sliding gate. These gates slide along a track which is installed on top of the concrete driveway or embedded into it. Automatic sliding gates are very good for driveways with limited room to accommodate the arc of a swinging gate. These gates open by sliding back along the fence line. Sliding gates can be designed to blend in with the style of your property and can be made to look sleek. Cantilevered sliding gates. If you have a gravel driveway or a driveway that slopes or is uneven, then you may like to install a cantilevered automatic gate. These gates are solid. A cantilevered gate is installed on rollers and cannot be lifted or pulled out. A cantilevered gate is usually 1.5 times the width of the gate opening. This is to allow for the cantilever to take effect. Therefore, you'll need a longer fence line to accommodate this type of gate. Swing gates. Swing gates are very popular on Gold Coast. There's an extensive range of colours and materials and sizes to choose from when it comes to swing gates. An automated swing gate is an attractive addition to your landscaping, home and overall street appeal. Swing gates require space to open. If your driveway area is not long enough to comfortably accommodate the arc of the opening gate, then it's best to seek an alternative style of automatic gate. Remote controls, keypads and swipe card access options allow you to tailor how you use your swing gate. If you'd like to chat to an experienced professional about the best automatic gate for your Gold Coast property, then call us today on the number below.